Hello dear students, I heartily welcome you all in our video lecture series on design of steel and RCC structures. So in today's lecture number 18, we are going to discuss about some of the types of welded joints which we were discussing in previous session also. This session will cover types of welded joints, that means fillet welds and slot weld or plug weld. And after completion of this session, we will be able to know and understand flat welded joints as well as we can able to know and understand slot or plug welds. So before starting our session, let's have discussion on the points which we have already covered in previous lecture. So in previous session, we were discussing about types of welded joints. Now, can anybody answer which are the types of or how many types are there of welded joints? Yes, there are broadly five types are there. Which are those now? Yes, flat welds or T-joint, corner joint, edge joint, butt weld joint, lap joint, etc. Again, we were discussed about butt welds and their subtypes, and also the symbols used for the different types of butt welds which are given in the IS 813. Do you remember that? How many types are there of butt weld? Yes, there are 9 types. So let's start our discussion on the flat weld. Now what is mean by this flat weld? Of when two members are connected, overlapped or at an angle of 90 degree, and their surfaces are joining in the form of triangular weld cross section, and such type of weld is generally used for the lap joints, T-joints and corner joints where two faces are exactly perpendicular to each other and weld will be provided over here. Okay, so you can see the figure of lap joint and flat weld will be provided over here on the either side of the lap. Similarly for T joint, we have to go for flat weld and flat weld will be over here on the both faces or both sides of the connecting member. Similarly, such type of weld is used for corner joint as we already discussed. Here these are the two members and this is the corner. So at this corner we have to provide flat weld. Now these lap joints, corner joints and T joints are used to be connected by means of flat weld as we have discussed. Now these corner joints are generally used to connect sheet metals, light sheets, heavier metal sheets, and for joining and designing of the boxes, frames and another same kind of fabrication purposes. And this T-joint is generally used for the connection of the some type of bases with the vertical members or thin plates. Also, such type of connections is used for structural as well as machine applications. Similarly, this lap joint is used or is applicable for different types of structural members or different types of chemical industries or any other industrial work, like for the connection of the temporary framing works and for making the cabinet works or for overlapping the circular portion of the tubular sections or containers. Such type of lap joints are used which are connected by means of lap joint weld. Now, if the angle of this fusion or flat weld is about 45 degree, then it is termed as standard flat weld. And these flat welds are also termed as concave and convex based on the shape of the flat weld, concave flat weld or convex flat weld. If the shape of the weld over here is likewise, that is in the form of concave curve, then it is concave flat weld, and if it is in the form of convex curve, then it is termed as convex flat weld. Sometimes the surface will be exactly inclined, which is forming an exact triangular portion. Here you can see a picture which shows the detailed terminologies used in the flat weld. Here this is the convexity we have just discussed, and this vertical distance and this horizontal distance is termed as leg or leg size, and size of the weld is generally taken as least length of the leg, and the length from the surface of the convexity of the flat weld to the root is termed as actual throat, and the distance between these toes to the throat is termed as effective throat thickness or throat thickness. And theoretically, the throat thickness is taken as from the root to the toe, which is measured perpendicularly. And if we see the practically how the flat weld will look, so it will be look like this. There are two vertical faces joined here at the junction of there by means of flat weld, and this is the concave flat weld. Hope you understood this. Now, what is meant by the slot weld or plug weld? When two plates or the plates which are going to be joined is with circular holes, and it is kept over the another plate, then the circular hole will be get welded along its periphery. Then it is termed as slot weld. Here in the picture you can see there are holes, and the weld is provided along the periphery of this hole, and this is termed as slot weld. Now what about plug weld? Can you answer? No, in case of plug weld, the holes or small holes made in one plate which is kept over the another plate is filled with the filler material and will be welded throughout its hole, and it is termed as plug weld. We can see here in this picture there are two plates, and suppose there are holes like this, and which is filled over here by means of filler material and get welded, which is termed as plug weld. So what we have studied? Yes, we have studied about types of welded joints, in which we have discussed about flat weld and plug or slot weld. So do you understood about this? Okay. So based on these 2 points in examination, it may ask the questions. So these are the some of the expected questions. You may note it down. State and explain with neat sketch flat weld. फ्लैट वेल्ड को एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं आप. हमने भी स्केच डिटेल स्केच देखे, वो स्केच शो करना होगा इसमें, और जो भी डिस्कशन किए वही आपको आंसर में लिखना होगा. And state and explain with neat sketch about spot or plug weld. We have just discussed. You have to draw those pictures, those diagrams, and you have to explain in detail about that. Hope you can answer these questions. So today we will stop here. In next session, we will learn about the IS specifications used for the flat weld, because in our syllabus only flat weld is there, or we have to learn design of flat weld only. So in next session we will start the actual part, that is IS specification or recommendations given for the flat weld or flat welded joints and their design. Thank you.